Good morning, everyone. I'm sure you've been on your cell phone or laptop and seen a picture of the ocean. Most of these photos are clear and beautiful with maybe a sunset behind them. But not all the parts of the sea are like that. However, they should be. Have you ever wondered how many species die every year because of marine pollution? And how many tons of chemicals and garbage are in the ocean? Well, marine pollution has become a very dangerous and worrying situation because thousands of animals are affected by this global problem. Oceans are being polluted by chemicals and litter. Human activities, especially the use of fertilizers on farms, cause chemicals to leach into waterways and end up in the ocean. The presence of nitrogen and phosphorus in the ocean encourages algal blooms that can be toxic to wildlife and dangerous to humans. This can affect local fishing and tourism industries. Garbage accumulation, hurricane winds, and poor waste management also affect the oceans. Plastic waste is very problematic for the entire ecosystem because plastic items can take hundreds of years to decompose. This can be dangerous for animals and humans. Some fish can be injured by the debris, and others mistake items such as plastic bags for food. Another problem is microplastics, which are tiny pieces of shredded plastic that some animals trap and absorb the chemicals from the plastic into their tissues. When small organisms that consume microplastics are eaten by larger animals, the toxic chemicals become part of their tissues, and the microplastic pollution migrates up the food chain and ends up in the food that humans eat. To solve the problem, I propose to recycle plastic by placing exchange points, where people can deposit plastic bottles and in return receive an economic incentive. It leads to a significant reduce of littering because customers have an economic incentive to return the containers. Even if they are abandoned by the buyer, someone else is likely to find and return them to reclaim the money. I also suggest placing more trash containers around beaches because marine debris is often the result of poor trash management on land. If trash is intentionally or accidentally deposited on the ground, wind or rain can wash it into nearby waterways. The trash travels downstream and can end up in the ocean. Another solution will be to encourage people to use biodegradable products, which are made from naturally processed ingredients and do not contain any synthetic components. Also, they do not have a long life like plastic and are more environmentally friendly. Biodegradable garbage bags are the best option to start with. It helps to reduce waste and are more energy efficient to manufacture than traditional plastic. Finally, I would like to conclude by saying that marine pollution is a global problem in several ways. It affects the health of ocean everywhere in the world. We must remember that we only have one planet, so use it wisely instead of abusing it. Thank you.